Hello, my friends. Today we'll be learning about B sound. So let's learn together how to say B sound. B, B, B. That's right. Let's find it in the book. Yes, I can see it here. Do you see it? Yes, that's right. B, B, B. Now let's learn how to do B sound. Well, first we have to find more B, B, B. Can you see it? If you're reading a book, maybe you can find a lot of B, B, B. So if you can see it, please tell your mom about it, okay? It will be a really good thing to do today. But now let's find out how to do B sound. Yes. So put your hands up like this. Pretend that you're holding a bat. And then you hit the ball with it. B, B, B. Up like this. Pretend that you're holding a bat and you say B, 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 B. Again. B, B, B. That's right. You're so smart. I love you so much. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Miss Basma. Bye-bye, Miss Basma. Yes, I can hear you. Bye-bye. I love you.
Now let's listen to the B song together.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball, B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Good job, my friends. You did a great job today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.